Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Animal Crossing New Leaf. Welcome, Amiibo. Thank you for being with us today. And we're just going to do our usual chores as usual. I promised to be back earlier today, and so here we are. Not too much of a busy day. I did finish up the business class, 115 class, whatever it's called. And then I finished up the vocab quiz. Not vocab, oh my god, my brain just keeps calling it vocab, but the quiz, basically. And so, yeah, we'll go ahead and dig that up in just a moment. I played just a little bit. I hung out with Annalisa today at her house this morning. So, yeah, that's what I did. And then I talked to a few villagers, but that was primarily it. Let's do our coffee routine in for the day. Okay. Gotta do that project, and then I got something else to do, and then I'll be finished. I might remember what you want, I think. I think you want blend, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, perfect. Blend. Lots of milk. And lots of sugar. 3 spoonfuls of sugar. That's technically is a lot of sugar. I'm getting ready to go out after a while. And the car needs to be out. This is Blair. Okay, I recognize you. Okay. She wants plain coffee beans, no milk, and no sugar. She's pretty cool. Bones, I think I know what you want. It's mocha coffee beans. And then, like, yeah, there we go. Alright. I was going to say lots of milk, but that's not right. But mocha. Regular amount of milk. And 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Well, I thought Blair was pretty cool. That squirrel. Isabel, yay. Okay. Mocha coffee beans. Lots of milk. And 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Good to have you here. Okay. Yay. Okay, thank you. All right. Bear with me, I really do not know what time I'm going to be on doing the video tomorrow. I've got several things going on. Let's go celebrate the project. I did have lunch just a little while ago. Hmm. I'm not sure what day number this is. I think it's day 60 for New Leaf, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. Hello. Sure. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna go for 9 o'clock time. I'll hang out with you at 9. Dottie's got fleas. But I don't have a net on me, though. Denton lost a pretty local resident who was pretty famous to the area. Her name is Chrissy Hedrick. She had cancer of leukemia, so she passed away last night, or yesterday, something like that. Sometime yesterday it was. But we didn't know her, but Sandy and our pianist, they knew her very well. So she needs our prayers right now. And it was just all of a sudden. And Barbara Ann is her mother, and it's tough when you lose a child like that. That really just hits hard. It would have been difficult, in ways for, as difficult as it is right now, actually, for a teacher that, as I told you, lost her son, who, therefore, I'm sure you can figure it out what just happened there. And, I can't go into details because I don't want to say it on here. It's not that I know you care, but I just don't want to say it just for my behalf. It just makes me feel depressed when I think about it, So, yeah. Your last day in town, Canberra. Before you leave. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. We have stuff to sell, pretty much. Okay. My birthday is 10 days from now. Like, look at this. July 24th. And that is not true. I am not from New Jersey. I'm from North Carolina. I don't know how in the world you changed that, but... There may have been a couple of days, I skipped that I just kind of went on, but I'm just going to, since we started from the town, Okay. 21862. Nice. Now we need to clear out our mail because, you know, I when I checked it, it's like I'm getting something every day. I mean, I don't know what it is, you know. I need to cram that out here before Pete gets really upset. He's like, oh, I put too much in your mailbox. You need to clear that out. Oh, shoot, that's right. I need to... That's right. We'll do that tomorrow. Just don't have time today. Tartan rug, we don't need that. A lot of this we probably don't even need. Okay. A lovely bed. That could be for another villager. That could be for Joey or somebody. But man. Wow. Playroom wall. We'll keep that. The ones that we're getting rid of, we're gonna get rid of. I don't know what to do with it right now. I'll just leave it on the ground. I gotta clean up the town a bit and everything, but it's important that I check this stuff out. And let's see, what did he give me? A manor wall. We'll keep that because I have no idea what that is. And it's like I have a few best friends in the town, basically. Well, everybody in the town is my best friend except for Canberra, if she's moving tomorrow. I went over to his house yesterday. Oh, another one. Oh, nice. Oh, great. See, I'm pretty dumb at not reading these. Like I said, a lot of these I'm going to have to get rid of. Writing desk, okay. We'll keep that. You know what's going to be kind of funny about my birthday? I'm going to be 20 years of age. We need to sell that. We need to sell these things here. Let's put on their cafe uniform. We'll just sell that. I mean, it's not like it's the end of the world, though, you know? Keep the... Oh, my God. Oh, man. Let's just see what we can do here. We may sell that lovely bed. I don't really need it, though. I've already got, like, several beds, you know, in the house. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Here's what I can do. This could be for Joey now, since he's in the place. Sorry. We'll go for 611. Nope. Alright. This is yours. Quit following me, Race. Move, Reese. I put this on sale for you. You need somewhere to sleep, technically, so... No. Well, let's go back out and we'll come back in. have to leave in the next little bit just because Dad's car needs to be driven a little bit. Okay. You're gonna come with me here. Look, this is for you. Alright. Are you stunned, or you're like, this is not for me? Alright. Reese, move out of the freaking way. Reese, move out of the goddamn way. Sorry. Apologies, I did not mean to say that. I was like... Why is this like a battle? Just getting Joey and then he can't even buy something so simple. Whatever. Guess we're selling these. Come on. You need somewhere to sleep too, no joke though. There was some viewing SUV on Sunday when I was leaving for church, and when I turned on Riverwood Road, there was like this viewing like about getting my lane. Like, I mean, she was or he, I have no idea. I was like, what are you doing? We're looking at their phone, texting. I mean, it's a newer Buick too. Like, you can have a Bluetooth. I mean, for God's sakes, living. Anyway, whatever. Whatever. You choose not to buy it, and then they can't buy it. Well, the final, well, not final, well. Maybe it is the final thing we'll do is just check out the camper person here. And I am guessing, well, no. Oh, okay. It's probably Booker here. Very, very nice. I'm sorry. Can't even talk. What? Yeah, well. I do like this setup though. It's very nice. Salute. Love it. We don't have too much going on my end here today. Tomorrow I'm going to eat lunch with Sandy. Like I said, just bear with me on the time when we gather tomorrow. I'm eating lunch with Sandy. And I think maybe Michael. We'll be meeting them at the church at 11:30. And then after that, well, not after that, but I'll be here, and I've got some other things going on, and maybe we'll play again here. And let's see if Joey wants to buy that. And then I'll be heading to Hillside Park. And so have a good day. Dad's car, like I said, needs to be out a little bit. Come on, you're buying this thing. You are. Yeah, you're getting a new bed. You say, bro, you can't make them. I know, but when you try to do this, villagers will convince buying it or whatever, but oh well. Forget it. Well, sorry. But whatever. I do want to thank you for watching this episode. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out my videos. And I hope you enjoy your day today. Stay cool. It's warm back up here again in North Carolina. And we're thankful for what we got. Y'all have a very blessed day. And we'll see you back here tomorrow afternoon at least. Take care.